Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy A05s. So here is my Galaxy A05s and here I have two power adapters. The first one is with 15 watts and the second one has 25 watts and both are original from Samsung. Also, I have here a little tool and with this one I will measure the real power of these two chargers. And here is the box of the phone and I will look inside to see what we have here. And as you can see, we don't have a power adapter inside the box, but here in this little box we have a charging cable and this one is useful for these two power adapters. Okay, so it has USB Type-C at both sides. Okay, and to charge your phone, first I will use the 15 watts power adapter. And first just connect this side to the power adapter. Now plug it in and turn it on. And now just connect to your phone. And as you can see, it's charging. Okay. And now I will disconnect this cable and I will use this little tool to measure the real power. Okay, now just connect it again. And as you can see, it's charging. And now let's see the real power. And we have here 8.6, 8.7 watts. Okay. So now the fast charging is disabled. I will disconnect the charger and I will go to settings, go down and we have here battery and device care. Tap on the first feature, battery. Now go down again and we have here more battery settings and here we have fast charging. Just enable this feature. Now let's exit and I will connect again the charger and let's see now the real power. And as you can see now we have 15 watts. So this is better. This is very good. Okay. Now I will disconnect this charger and let's try with the other one with the 15 with the 25 watts power adapter. Okay, just plug it in. Okay, and now the fast charging is enabled and let's connect again the cable and let's see the real power. Just wait. And now it's better. We have 22 watts. Okay. 22.4.5. So this is the best choice if you want to charge fast your phone, because this phone supports 25 watts power adapter. This is very good. Okay, so the fast charging is working on this phone. Good to know. You will find in the video description and also in the comment area the link for these two power adapters if you want to buy it. And also I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.